Natalie. Say up.
Up.
Say down.
Down.
Say mommy.
Mommy.
Say daddy.
Daddy.
Say juice.
This.
Say shoe.
This.
Say Pam.
Mom.
Say Michael.
Up.
Say Zachy.
Jackie.
Yeah! Say Jenny.
Daddy.
Say Penelope.
Yeah, well, that's a good one. Say Natalie.
Nanny.
Nanny. Yeah, Natalie. Okay.
Say Pappy.
Say Pappy.
Baby.
Yeah, good.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Say cheese.
This.
Say cat.
That.
Yeah. Now he's good at saying words.
Zach, that's a long time.
Okay.